Hi guys, this is Tony Cantu at Dittmar Road in South Austin, Texas. Well, since the Amtrak got delayed this morning, I was able to take that number 3 from Sass and get all the way up to Dittmar so I can catch the northbound Amtrak Texas Eagle 22, and then there's going to be a northbound freight train after this. And now here comes Amtrak Texas Eagle 22. Let's see what's leading up. I expected it to be 62, but a lot of stuff happened over the days, so we'll find out in a few seconds here. Oh, 62. Very nice engineer. Yep, there you have it. That's the northbound Amtrak Texas Eagle 22 running late due to that one freight train that was in front of us earlier today. But there's one more freight train after this, and then I have to go. Bye-bye.